Good morning, adventurers. We're out here in Piano Flat today. It is a gorgeously frosty morning. Today we're going to make an omelette. Nice, simple, easy stuff. All you need is a few eggs, butter, and then some fillings. I've got spinach, ham, cheese, and tomato. Get the pan really as hot as it can do for whatever gas you've got. Throw some butter in. Start whipping those eggs. Is that what you do? Beat the eggs, whip the eggs. Turn the eggs into just one egg. Because you know, you always do bacon and eggs at breakfast, and that's, well, it's actually a damn good breakfast, but sometimes I just feel like something a little bit different. So mix it up a bit, make an omelette today. We spent the day yesterday coming down the Waikawa Bush Road. Epic stuff. I'm getting egg everywhere. And today, it's back up it. Should be a damn good one, actually. So once you've got a nice and easy whip there, look at that. Looks terrible. Throw that in your pan. My pan sits on a lean too, so I had this ingenious idea to put a fork under it. If it's gonna work. Yeah, boy. Look at that. I can't use my knife there. I have to use my knife to cut things. Right, so while that's sort of cooking, it's cooking away. We'll start slicing up some center ingredient bits. Tomato, cheese, ham. It's pretty simple, just making a toasty, really. So that omelette's looking pretty good now. It needs a little bit of balancing around here. But otherwise, we can start throwing the ingredients into there. I always start with cheese. Cheese is damn good stuff. Fill that in there. A few bits of ham. Easy stuff. Put it all on one side. Chuck some tomato in there. Whoop, without misbalancing everything. Because what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back on top of itself for a delicious little omelette-y goodness. Chuck some spinach on there. Got to have your greens in the morning, right? And some good old cheese again. Why not double that layer up? Good stuff. Now comes the tricky bit. Grab it on one side and simply just fold over. Look at that deliciousness there. Cook that for another couple minutes. And you got an amazing omelette. And there we are, guys. Look at that, eh? Not a bad breakfast for a cold winter's morning.